Okay, so you guys know what the PlayStation Portal is, so I don't have to really explain to you guys what it is. But I just finally got it in because Sony finally had it in stock. So I'm a little late to the game, but I think you guys want to know how well this thing performs outside of the house. So pretty much that's what we're gonna do today. Gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. I actually haven't really watched any video about it in terms of unboxing, but I know that there are some things, quirkiness about it that I can probably show you guys. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to unbox this, and then I'm gonna get out of the house and see if it actually works with my iPhone tethered to this thing, and yeah, see if I can play games on the go with this thing. Let's do it. Guys, I've been waiting for this thing. I'm so jealous because I've heard so many good things about it, and also a lot of people actually didn't care much for this when it first came out, but once everyone saw how great of a quality it is, yeah, this screen looks beautiful, especially the way they designed this. It makes it look so thin. So, you know, this costs the same as the DualSense Edge, which is, you know, the high-end controller from Sony. So this came out afterwards, and I'm thinking to myself, I mean, would you get this or the DualSense Edge? Anyway, I gotta put up a poll and see who we get this over the DualSense Edge and vice versa. I want to know, since they cost the same price, right? Yeah, this is beautiful. Literally looks like the PlayStation 5 controllers. PlayStation 5 controller. It looks pretty similar, huh? Thumbstick, the same. Buttons are the same. Look at the shoulder buttons. Kind of the same. Yeah, they pretty much like took that thing apart, all the buttons and everything, and just dropped it up on here. So I do have some dock that are coming in that will charge this back here. Headphone port back there. Design is beautiful. It is bigger than Nintendo Switch, but definitely a lot more comfortable. Because, you know, obviously if you play with the PlayStation, you're gonna know it's a lot more comfortable. Obviously, you can't compare this with the Nintendo Switch, right? Because you guys know that you have to have a PlayStation 5 in order to basically tether this thing to the PlayStation 5. Switch is a standalone console, so I can't really compare. But I do like to look at the screen just to see how big it is. I can put the Switch screen probably right on here. Screen real estate slightly bigger than the Switch. And then if you're looking at your phone, so let's say if you use something like the backbone with your phone, this is actually what it would look like right here using the backbone, right? Because that's how much screen real estate you get with the backbone. And here you're getting a bigger screen. If you look really closely here, you see where the edge, the black edge is coming up, so that's where the screen starts and ends right there. So I know what they're doing for sure when they release this thing. I'm glad they call this a remote player and not a portable game machine. The lighting shows up here. The UI is similar to the PlayStation 5. So the speakers are like right here, guys. That's where the sound is coming out of. Hear it? Alright, so next step. We're gonna finish letting it update the software and things like that, and then let's go outside and actually play with this thing. Let's just hope I remember to leave my PlayStation on. Anyway, let's go ahead and do it.